This Temu Rolling Knife Sharpener might look tempting, but I would not treat the main product photo as proof by itself. This keyword has a strong bias signal, so the important part is filtering hype from real proof. For this kitchen item, I would check 3 things before buying. First, whether the listing shows the real size and material. Second, whether buyer photos match the promise. And third, whether low-star reviews repeat the same complaint. The first red flag is that thin materials and weak motion. If the listing only has polished images and vague claims, I would wait or compare it against an Amazon listing with clearer reviews. My verdict is risky. Buy until the reviews prove the weak points are not common. Based on the listing and review signals, not a hands-on test, I would only buy it if the product page clears those checks. Comment your country and the next Temu product you want checked, and I will run the same